young girl, nutrition promotes healthy growth and development of healthy bones, muscles, and organs, as well as a strong immune system. During adolescence, hormonal changes can be dramatic and require the right nutrition as they can affect mood and energy. To support their busy lives, young women had to fuel their bodies with all the necessary nutrients they needed to stay healthy and energized. Proper nutrition during pregnancy is essential for a woman's health as well as for the healthy growth and development of her baby. After giving birth, a woman's body needs proper nutrition to promote optimal recovery and successful milk production. As women age, their nutritional requirements change to meet the evolving needs of their bodies. A balanced diet is essential for maintaining good health and preventing chronic diseases.